All right, we got a killer deal on this angle grinder. Today's special buy of the day was kind of like trash. Let me see if I can get this back. Big shout out to Alan Deal Team 6. This is actually the only special buy of the day that's worth getting as a hack. Killer deal, guys. This is the M18. Oh, before we get started, don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make better review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform. My subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. So this is the M18 brushless, cordless, 4.5-inch, 6-inch braking grinder with paddle switch, 8 amp hour starter kit. And I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. This angle grinder is around $469, around there. Regular on if you guys click on it or look for it, but on the special buy of the day they lowered it down to $369. That's what makes this deal a heck of a deal. So you guys go down here to the free gift with purchase. You're gonna select the most expensive, which is the hammer drill. Add but to the cart. Even the hammer drill is a pretty good deal. All right, so the hammer drill does include some bits. It's $123. It's pretty good deal. It is really solid hammer drill. I do recommend this hammer drill for $123. That's a good deal. All right, this one, $245, guys. That battery by itself, it's worth that much. So guys, $245 for the braking grinder, 6-inch grinder, and the battery killer deal. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.